How loud is a dental drill, measured in decibels? Ever wondered how loud a dental drill really is? Brace yourself. The numbers might shock you. We ran a test during an actual dental procedure. And guess what? That tiny tool cranks out anywhere from 90 to 100 decibels, sometimes even more. That's the same level as a lawnmower or a motorcycle inside your clinic. Now imagine being exposed to that noise for 8 hours a day. Over time, this kind of exposure can lead to hearing loss, constant ringing in your ears, and even long-term fatigue. The good news? You can protect your ears without sacrificing sound clarity. Big Ears custom earplugs reduce harmful noise, but keep voices crystal clear. Don't wait until it's too late. Visit www.biggering.com to protect your hearing for life.